What's arrived? Top one's my daughter's, bottom one's mine. Let's get it open. Okay, I'll just tuck my details off there for privacy reasons. But we're going to open this box. So, I'm going to do this one-handed, so bear with me. What is your love song? Oh, too many guys. Too many. Generally excited. Right, okay. I did order the light stick, the cradle, and the toppers, both of them. So we're going to get to see them all. One sec. So we're going to open these first, and we'll save the best for last. So we've got the BTS topper. I shall take that out and have a closer look at that in a second. We have got the army topper. And this will be the stand, the cradle. So, give me a second. Here's the piece de resistance. I'm going to undo the boxes ready. I'm going to show you guys. So, here is the stand. You get that in the box. It takes C-type lead, which we will plug in a second. You also get a instruction booklet with that. And of course you get your C-charge lead. And here's the closer look at the toppers for you. Here's the army one and the BTS one. Okay, so in the actual army bomb box, you get your instruction manual. You get your dust bag, your carrier bag, whichever you want to call that. You also get your cards. You've got RM, Jin, Sugar, J-Hope, Jimin, Vey, and Jungkook. And of course you get your strap for your army bomb as well, and the army bomb itself. Look at it, it's so cool. It's so cool. I love that. And I think it takes, let's have a look. It takes 3 AAA batteries by the looks of that. So we're going to get some batteries. We're going to put it in. We're going to put the cradle on, and we'll let you see it. As the batteries are in, so let's give this a go. Yes, 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 it's working. How cool is that? I believe we can change how it flashes and whatnot. That one's kind of cool. I like that one. So you can go through all the modes by pressing the right button. I kind of like this one. And then left for the colour changes. I think you can change the colours by doing this. Mine's not doing it, but I don't know if you have to do something or change, like, you can download the app and you can play around with it in the app. I'll insert a picture top right just here of the app that you need. And yeah, play around with it. But he's pretty cool. I like it. I'll stick it in a stand, see what it looks like. Got my little BTS topper on. Oh my goodness. That is so cool. Guys, look. I can't wait to see you all there. I just read the manuals and you can change the docking colours by pressing, I think there's a button here somewhere. There we go. I don't know if it's colours or just mode. Oh, it's colours. Oh, purple, I love. Big fan of the colour purple. Right, okay. Love this. Oh my god. That looks really cool. Me personally love the purple. And also to switch to colour changing mode, when you do this, you hold in number 2 and it does that, and it should. There we go. Love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, let's put it purple. Let's put this purple too. My god, I love it.